She knows how to do that one though. So now the only problem with Moala is she forgets to leave it alone. Sometimes she doesn't quite work out to move on, do you? Right, should we do the next one? So we just asked Moala to leave it now. We asked Moala to do a range of different things, behaviour that she'd be doing in the wild, so lifting up stones, lifting up leaves, try and find bugs, grubs, anything really she can get her beak into. Now being a palm nut vulture, the name kind of gives it away, she's one of the only omnivorous birds of prey. So part of her diet is actually palm nuts, the husks of the palm nuts. Moala gets dates here, which is just as good. Sometimes she prefers the chicken, but she gets dates as well as part of her diet. So some of these bits I'm feeding her are actually date rather than palm nut. Now what I have to do is, now Moala's done these, I have to take them away from her, otherwise she'll just be playing with them for the rest of the afternoon.